Vahishka Khalsa, Vahishki Fateh. So I will offer some passages from the Jap Sahib from Guru Gobind Singh. And he was born on January 5th, 1667. I've heard different, 1666, 1667, so around that time. So I decided to sing some passages from the Jap Sahib. The Jap Sahib. Vaheguru. Okay. Oh, only 5 minutes. Okay, I'll sing maybe one passage. Vaheguru. Or two. Pare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Gobinne Mukane Unare Apare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Gobinne Mukane Unare Apare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Gobinne Mukane Unare Apare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Gobinne Apare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Gobinne Mukane Unare 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 Apare Hariang Kariang Niname Akame Ajayale Abe Abe Abu Aju Anasikas Ganja Banjala Kabak Akale Alalik Bik Anamakamagata Anate Parmate Ajuni Amoni Narage Narange Narupe Narage Karmanga Barmanga Gamje Aleke Jayale Abe Abe Abu Aju Anasikas Aganja Banjala Kabak Akale Alalik Bik Anamakamagada Anate Parmate Ajuni Amoni Naragi Narange Narupe Nareke Karmanga Varmanga Ganji Aleke Jele Abe Abe Uaju Anasakas Ganja Banjala Kabak Akale Alalik Bik Namakamagada Anate Parmate Ajuni Amoni Narage Narange Narupe Nareke Karmanga Varmanga Ganji Aleke Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh 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 Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh